Welcome back, swimmers and families. Happy Water Safety Awareness Month. This week, we have another incredible swimming picture book to share with you. This story, Make a Splash, written by Carol E Reiley and illustrated by Jason Pastrana, is about a brother and sister who both are really excited to learn how to swim, but both have very different experiences due to their mindset. Let's dive in to Make a Splash and find out how their mindset affects how they learn to swim. Making a Splash. Every weekend, Lisa and Johnny went to the pool with their parents. They had so much fun splashing around the water, but they always wore their floaties because they didn't know how to swim. One day, Lisa and Johnny wanted to learn to swim. They asked their parents to sign them up for lessons with the pool's swim coach. They look very excited to be at lessons. On the first day of class, the coach said, "Today we will learn to swim with a kickboard. The goal is to swim the entire pool length of 50 meters. Johnny jumped in, holding his board out in front of him, and kicked his legs in the water. He made it all the way to the other side of the pool. "Wow, you're a natural swimmer," said one kid. Another kid explained, "I wish I could be as talented as you." "Gold medal, here I come," Johnny thinks. But Lisa had a more difficult time than Johnny. Her legs usually sank to the bottom of the pool. "Why can my brother swim so much better than me? Swimming is too hard. I can't do this," Lisa shouted as she took off her goggles. The coach replied, "You can't do this yet. When you practice hard things, they get easier. That's how we learn." "Swimming is so easy," Johnny teased. "I don't have to do hard work to swim. You've either got it or you don't." "I've got it," thinks Johnny. But by the end of the day, both Johnny and Lisa learned to swim using a kickboard. The next day, the coach said, "Now you get to choose. Swim with a kickboard again, which is easier, or swim without a kickboard, which is harder." Johnny stuttered into the water. "Definitely want the kickboard." "You won't get any better without challenging yourself," said the coach. Johnny snatched the kickboard. "Nope, I looked awesome yesterday. Why would I want to try anything harder?" Uh-oh, Johnny's on the road to a fixed mindset. Lisa wanted to get better, so she chose to swim without a kickboard. Yup, it was much harder. Instead of getting frustrated or upset, Lisa decided to stay calm and focused on the cool things she was learning. Meanwhile, Johnny swam around on his kickboard effortlessly. Growth mindset people usually think learning's pretty cool. Each time Lisa started to think, she thought, that didn't work. Let's try another way. Each time she tried, she figured out what worked and a lot of what did not. But slowly, lap by lap, Lisa got better. Her brain was getting stronger. "Hooray, I'm swimming." Effort is the key to flex. At the end of the week, Johnny found the kickboard boring, but he still was not willing to try to swim without it. He had seen how much Lisa struggled. No way were his friends gonna see him struggle. By the end of the week, Lisa could slowly swim all 50 meters on her own without taking a break. Go, Lisa. She had learned how to float, how to exhale underwater, how to turn her head to breathe while swimming. Looking back, she was proud of how far she came. Way to go! Johnny and Lisa decided to race in the pool. Johnny was sure he would win. On your mark, get set, go! Off they both flew. They were head to head. But since Johnny was on the kickboard, he only had his feet to move him forward. Lisa could use her arms and her legs. She burst ahead and won! Johnny was so upset over losing the race that he did not want to swim ever again. Swimming's not fun anymore, he thought. A fixed mindset gives up during setbacks. That summer, Johnny and Lisa's parents took them to the beach. They had planned to all swim and snorkel in the ocean together. Johnny thought, this looks much harder than the pool. There are no walls to rest on in the ocean, and I cannot see my feet. Johnny's parents asked, do you want to go swimming with us? Nope, he replied. I'm never swimming again. Never say never. Because she worked so hard to swim, learning to swim, Lisa got to go in the ocean with her parents and see all the wildlife. She went into the water like she did at the pool. Splash! She opened her eyes underwater while snorkeling, and she saw the most beautiful fish and the coral reef. It was so magical to be able to swim in the ocean. Everyone came over after Lisa walked out of the water. Johnny listened enviously as Lisa described what she saw. Oh man, how did you get so good? He asked. Swimming was hard for me at first. It takes time and effort to get better at anything, said Lisa. Is it too late for me to learn? Asked Johnny. Not if you have the right mindset. Let's go train your brain. Amazing, that hard work paid off. Wow, whoa. The brain can change. It's malleable. So they learned to swim together. They even helped each other learn things like painting and playing basketball and math. With all that learning, their brains got really, really strong. What's something that you're learning now? Do you think you have a fixed mindset, or do you think you have a growth mindset? The science. What is a growth mindset? A word about praise, the neuroscience of how you learn, and the language of growth and getting unstuck. This book will continue to teach you all about what a growth mindset is and a fixed mindset, and how you can continue to learn really awesome things. I hope you enjoyed today's story. Check out the comments for some discussion questions, and don't forget to join us next week for another incredible swimming picture book. Lastly, don't forget to hop into our Facebook page and follow us for some incredible water safety resources that we'll be sharing throughout the rest of the month. Happy swimming. Have a great day.